This morning, I would want to talk about this. President Emerson Mnangagwa, they are clearly afraid of Chamisa. They are clearly afraid of the elections this year, 2023. Why am I saying so? It's because the rallies which happened this weekend, this Sunday, Nelson Chamisa, Nelson Chamisa's rallies, the majority of these rallies were bad. And if you look at the strategy being used by ZANU PF, it's about banning CCC, it's about threatening CCC, it's about intimidating CCC supporters. This is a clear indication that these people, they are afraid. I want to tell you this. If you go kudiba nemombe, what happens is that zvikwekwe zvinotanga kuruma mombe so that dzinotanga kujamba jamba kuti dzisapinda mudhibi. Reason why mombe zvikwekwe zvichitanga kuruma mombe zvinenge zvichiunderstanda kuti tikangogara tapinda mudhibi tafa. This is what is happening in ZANU PF. They understand very well kuti tikangogara taenda kuelection naNelson Chamisa tarowa. So they are afraid. Honestly speaking, ukaona vanhu vachiita zvavari kuita, this is a clear indication. As young Zimbabweans toita sei, make sure you have 10 young people vauri kuconvinza kuregister kuvota. Make sure you have 10 young people kumusha kwako vauri kuconvinza kuti guys, let us register to vote. Make sure kuti uri kumira navo right now. I have been in the rural areas for the past days. I was in deep rural Zimbabwe. I have seen it for myself. I have enough evidence to tell kuti guys, zvinhu zvachinja. Why? Intimidation tactics ndo dzapa ground. Hapasina zvimwe. Vakungotaura kuti kana mukavhotera Nelson Chamisa kana mukavhotera change hondo iri kuuya muZimbabwe. That is the message yavari kutumira. And this is what tiri kuti, should we be told kuti hanzi hondo inodzoka 42 years after independence, toramba tichingoudzwa kuti hondo iri kudzoka. What kind of war are you talking about? We are talking about war of ideas. We are talking about a battle of ideas. Kuti ndianani ma ideas are better. Mimi kutaura zvegidi. Smith comrades achitovarwisa thing, but macomrades. So we don't want war, we don't want violence, we want peace in the nation of Zimbabwe, to go to the elections peace, that we remove what we want. We want a progressive Zimbabwe. We want the resources in the nation of Zimbabwe to the people of Zimbabwe. I want to leave this message to the people of Zimbabwe. ZANU PF is afraid. They are afraid. That is the reason why they bar CCC rally. But they will not stop the idea. Why? People are gathering. People are meeting everywhere. People, the message. So this is it in Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Makusha. I am just hoping that in a few days' time, I will be able to come up live each and every time, each and every day, so that we talk about change. We do what we love most. That is to bring change into the nation of Zimbabwe. Register, kuvota. Signing out. My name is Ronald.